Hello all, welcome back to our new session. In this session, I'm going to discuss about document number ranges. Okay, before discussing about this topic, document number ranges, here I have given for your reference. In our last session, I have just discussed about how to delete a wrong entry of the number range. So this is like you can go for OBEA7 or else OFBN1, and you can select the line which you have created, and you can click on the minus symbol or else F7 button to delete the wrong number range or else wrong entry. Okay, now this document number ranges is a very short topic, and I will just explain a theoretical part, and I will show you in the SAP screen like what will be like in order to get a clear view about the document number ranges and how it works. Okay, first and foremost, document number range is nothing but a number range is a sequence of numbers which will start and end. Like it also contains the number that is being used. For example, like when a sales order has been created, the number range will lies between 1 from 499 or 999 or whatever it may be, like the thing which we used to give, like for example 1 2 999, for example. Let's guess. Also it is defined as, like in between these number will be defined as internal number range. For example, if we give a new sales order, if you give a new sales order, like the user does not need to enter the sales order number. The user does not need to enter the sales order number. Like the SAP will give automatically, the SAP will automatically generates a sales order number in the system for our reference, like in between these numbers. Like it may start from the 1, and after, for the first document it may start from the 1, and after it will 2, and after 3. Likewise, the number of documents you generate, automatically the SAP will generate the order number. Okay, and this number range has two purposes. One is for the system, one is for the system, like the system to internally identify the sales order with a number for easy retrieval and management. The sales order with a number for easy retrieval and management. Okay, I hope you guys have understood. And the second one is for the users to visually identify a document type just by looking at the number. Like these are the two main purposes for the document number ranges. One is like for it is for system, and the second one is like nothing but for the GL view. One is like system view, and second one is like GL view. Like the system view is like to internally identify the sales order with a number for easy retrieval and management. Like easy retrieval management in the sense, while you want to while you want to retrieve the document, it would be easy with the system view to retrieve the documents with the help of the order number, like the order number which is automatically created by the SAP. And the second one is like for the users to visually identify a document type by looking at the number. by looking at the number, you will like after looking the number range, you will automatically identify like what kind of document it was, like it is like a general ledger document, or else customer invoice, or else customer payment, or else vendor kind of documents, or else asset documents, like itself. For an example for the GL view is like if orders of type OR has the number range mentioned above, like above in the sense 1 to 999, and the codes have a different number ranges. Okay, this makes it very easy for the user who is creating them to identify a number in an order or else a quotation. You guys understand? Like if we create a sales order, like if we create a sales order in between these numbers, like this will make it is very easy for the user who is creating them to identify the number in an order or else in a quotation. Okay, and for normally uh, for for entry view for entry view, the T code is FBN1, and for GL view, the T code is FAGL DOCNR. Okay, it's FAGL and DOCNR. These are the two T codes which are used for the number ranges. Like entry view is like FBN1 and GL view is FAGL DOCNR. And I will show you in the SAP screen. Give FBN1. Oh, sorry. See, automatically it has been fetched, like give /n FBN1. It has given the company code. Like here you give the company code and hit the enter, and you can click on the intervals. Here you could see like what all the number ranges you have given. Like we can delete this entry. Okay, and here you can see like we have given 6 number ranges for 6, like one is for sales order, and the second one is for customer invoice, customer payment, and vendor invoice and vendor payment, and also asset document. So this is how we can see the number ranges very easily for the company code which we have created. Like you need to give the T code first, FBN1, and after you need to give the company code, and you need to hit enter, and after you should click on the intervals. Then you will find the number ranges which you have created, for which you have already assigned for the type of the documents. Now if you create a document under general ledger under GL view, then automatically the number range will be assigned from 1 to 4999. For example, if you want to post a customer invoice document, then automatically the number range will be started from 500 to 999. And if you want to record any customer payment, like which his payment has been done, it will be automatically recorded from 1000 to 14999. And if you try to post any documents, and if you got any discrepancy in the number ranges, it will automatically throw an error in the below, like you should go and verify your number range, like the number range should be correct for this concerned document type, so that it would be able to post. And then you can come to the you can give FBN1, FB FBN1, and here you should give the company code. Here you should click on the intervals, and here you need to make the concerned changes for the concerned document types. And this is how the FBN1 document goes. I hope you guys have noted this matter, so that it would be helpful, and you can try by entering 2-3 number ranges, so that it would be like a practice session for you. And you can try by clicking on the plus and minus symbols, like for adding entries and deleting the number ranges as well, so it would be helpful for you. I hope this document number ranges concept has been uh, mm, very understandable for you guys. So I request you to give a like and share this video to your friends who are willing to learn Sap Fico, and please subscribe this channel for more upcoming sessions. Thank you and have a great day.